Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these geode inspired nails. So I took off my previous color, and don't mind my stained nails, I do hair color, so that is what that is. But this first color we're going to use is Kira Sky's Warm Lavender. It's a super pretty light lavender color with a gray undertone to it. And so I'm going to put this on my ring finger and my thumb. And the next color we're going to use is Light Elegance's London Fog. This is from their new fall collection. I love this color. It's basically a deeper version of that warm lavender. So it's a dark purple with that little bit of a gray undertone to it. So I'm going to paint this on the rest of my nails. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of the colors. And now we're going to create the geode design. So I'm going to take Light Elegance's Storm Chaser, again from their fall collection. This is this super pretty, mostly purple glitter with some blues, a little bit of green, and a little bit of black. So on my ring finger, I'm going to take this as the center and kind of create the center of the geode. I'm going to do the same thing on my thumb, except I'm going to do 2 of the spots. I am also going to do a glitter fade with this color on my middle finger. And now we're going to take Madame Glam's Perfect Black, and we're going to outline that glitter that we just created. And the outline doesn't have to be perfect. It can be thicker in some spots, thinner in other spots. Geodes are found in nature, so nothing in nature is perfect. So that's why this design is kind of easy in that sense, where it does not have to be perfect. And now I'm going back in with London Fog, and I'm creating the outside of the geode. But I'm leaving quite a bit of room for that warm lavender to show through. So I want that to be a thicker layer, and then I'm just kind of doing an outline on the outside. And now I'm taking Madame Glam's Perfect White, and we're going to go in and just add a few little highlights. So I wanted to add a little bit more of dimension to the glitter, so I'm going to take Light Elegance's Ice Cream Muse Cream, which was from their spring collection. It is super pretty iridescent purpley blue glitter. So I'm going to take this and add just a little bit inside of the other glitter that I already have down. And now to add some crystals, I'm going to take my Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm, and the crystals I'm going to be using today is Paradise Shine, which is a purple shift to green, as well as just Crystal AB. And I'm just creating a little corner cluster, so I'm taking that Paradise Shine right in the middle with a bigger size, and I'm capping that with the Crystal AB, one on each side. And now we're going to go in with top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here's how my Geode nails turned out. I absolutely love the Geode nail design. It's so pretty with all the layers in it. I've done one before and I did it completely differently, and I wish I had a video on it, but I'll insert a picture here somewhere. But I love this set. I love this purple. London Fog is the perfect fall purple. I am in love. And this glitter Storm Chaser is just absolutely to die for. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!